So there's this really cool website called Artstonia. It's right there. Well, it's where you can like post your picture, your drawings, your artwork, and for the world to see. So I'm gonna type in my name right here. My username is vset3. If you want to check me out, and then find, and here are my artworks. So yeah, you can like post your favorite artworks, or yeah. And these are my top 2 favorite artworks, and I like this one as well. And this one was my first artwork that I posted. It's really bad. It's marshmallows sitting in a campfire. Yeah, I had a sense of humor back then also. But yeah, you're my more recent ones. And just to get a close-up of my favorite ones. Alright, so that's about it. See ya.